Good evening everyone. My name is Vincent B. Malintad and I teach how to create an app example. So first step, we go to social technologies. First, create app. So example of name app, I create a pins app. Pins apps. Next, and other. So click this other, explore other products, information, data management, WhatsApp. Okay, click this. Next, select a type. We select a consumer type. So this app name, email, and business purpose. Next, creating app. So go to the settings, choose basic, and show up secret, and we can go to a postman. So go postman. So mo ni siya katong sa app ID o sa secret ID. Send na to. Mo na siya gi-input na magudaan ako diri good. Send. So ang result is access token. So dito na punta sa get. So mo ni siya copy ang katong sa Facebook ID nako. Mo ni siya. Mo ning result. Tanan. Basic.